Recently, out in Los Angeles at one of our Rainmaker retreats, a veteran came up to me after our social media segment and said, "You know, I attended a workshop in 1969, and we were having a speaker telling us about a concept that was going to revolutionize marketing, and it was networking, rubbing shoulders with people with money." Well, this sounds to me just like digital marketing, except these advisors now have to get face to face. Well, I can't tell you how spot on this wily veteran was. And in talking to Kevin Nichols, our social media guru, it's really apparent that not enough advisors are transitioning from online to offline. So here are 5 steps. The first step is understanding that it's quality, not quantity. Back in the day of that wily veteran, I can remember when advisors would walk into the country club and they'd be bragging that they have 1,000 clients or 2,000 clients. No longer. If you're targeting the affluent, it's about selectivity. Less is more. You want quality connections, quality clients, and also, quality centers of influence. So your first action step is disconnect with any non-affluent connections. Now, step 2 is to strengthen your existing client relationships online. Now, with that, you can gather more personal information on those clients. Remember, it's relationship management. Relationship management is linked to relationship marketing. And you can also engage them in conversations about social media. Find out how they're using it. Now, third is taking the online offline, and specifically now with your clients. This is when you're having that targeted conversation. Bob, I see that, we're connected on LinkedIn. Are you using it for business? How do you use it for business? And then from that, having a face-to-face discussion with your client, Bob, about LinkedIn and business. Now, step 4 is really interesting. How do you use LinkedIn as an excuse to get face-to-face? Now, here you're dealing with centers of influence or prospect connections. You're connected on LinkedIn, and so you pick up the phone and you call that prospect, you call that center of influence, and simply say, I see that we're connected on LinkedIn, and I like to have a personal relationship within my LinkedIn network. Why don't we catch up and grab a cup of coffee or a lunch? It's a perfect excuse. And step 5 is now let's get face-to-face through personal introductions. Personal introductions are the #1 method that today's affluent have discovered their financial advisor. So you're talking to one of your affluent clients who you're connected with on LinkedIn. You see that you have a mutual connection. So you simply ask your client, "How well do you know Bob Smith?" "Well, I see we're both connected there on LinkedIn." If your client says, "Oh, well, I know him quite well," simply ask for the introduction. It's all about taking the online offline, and then social media can be a